I don't know if I ever introduced you all to Oreo, our front porch cat. But yeah, we have a cat on the front porch also. Let me show you all. As you can see, she knows when our door opens. Move, Oreo. Don't come in here. Don't come in here. Go back. Go back. This is her little box. She just had babies too. Don't rub up against me. But her babies are somewhere else. She has a bowl out here just like everybody else. I'm going to give her a couple of treats. And she likes to rub up against you. Move, Oreo. Sit down, Oreo. Sit down, Oreo. Sit down, Oreo. You stuck to the... She usually will sit. She just trying to rub on me. No, don't rub on me. This doggone thing. I gotta pour it out, Oreo. You're not making this easy. Just a couple of treats. She already ate twice today. But yeah, this is our front porch cat. There's about 5 million cats on this block. And we have quite a few of them that live here. Alright, you ate them that fast. Alright, that's it, Oreo. See you later.